we have a special guest. And you guys, she doesn't normally do stuff like this. She's super private, super shy. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do some good old throwback Y2K hairstyles, perfect for that Halloween party you're going to. Plus, you know her, you love her, I'm sure you follow her. Let's give it up for the biggest supermodel of all time, Jacqueline! First of all, thank you so much for being here, Jacqueline. You are an icon, obviously, and you're glowing. You are, were you in Saint-Tropez? So today we're gonna be doing like an early 2000s hair look, perfect for that nostalgic Halloween costume. Do I remember the 2000s? Honey, do you remember the 2000s? Okay, she was wild, you guys. This is the part of the video where like your boyfriend walks by and is like, what are you watching on your phone? And you know what you say, don't you say art? Watching art. So we're gonna start by adding some black clip-in extensions all throughout Jacqueline's hair to get that dirty Y2K skunk look. So you wanna be sure to tease and hairspray your hair before you clip your extensions in. That way you have a really solid anchor. Wow, Jacqueline, you look like a rejected Rock of Love contestant. You're welcome. Okay, so now we're gonna add some twists and braids all throughout the hair to get that really dirty Xtina feel. So I'm just gonna grab this waterfall cream to get the hair nice and silky before I start. Now I'm just gonna go through and braid and twist random sections of the hair. You guys, it doesn't have to be perfect. It should look like your best girlfriend during homeroom was playing with your hair and the teacher stopped her before she could finish. Now I'm just gonna grab my vegan leather rope and wrap it around random sections of the hair for a really grungy feel. And I'm just topping it off with these gold hoops for that perfect, too dirty to clean my act up vibe. I am so into this Y2K dirty Xtina hair. How do you feel? Okay, well, that's her opinion. Thank you so much for being our model. Do you want to stick around while I do mine? Okay, great. Okay, so for my Y2K look, I'm gonna go for a more is more approach. I'm gonna have crimped pieces, fantasy colors, and tons of butterfly clips. Let's start. So I'm just gonna grab these custom hair extensions that I colored myself. Okay, I'm bragging. And I'm gonna clip them all throughout my hair. It's not a phase, Mom. And now I'm just grabbing my 0.75-inch curling iron and I'm twisting and curling my hair in random directions. Lisa Frank is shaking, you guys. Okay, did somebody order a panini? I'm gonna grab my crimping iron and start crimping random sections of my hair. You guys, I'm scared. I'm starting to emotionally regress. If my mom doesn't take me to Hot Topic in the next hour, I'm gonna throw a fit. So I parted my hair in a zigzag formation. I'm gonna clean up the flyaways. Oh, my hair needed a little bit more heat. And bring on the butterfly clips. Oh my God, I am fully feeling this S Club 7th Heaven Y2K Bratz doll brace face Lizzie McGuire fantasy. I'm ready to I am with my friends, get into a screaming match with my mom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment about what you want to see in my next video. Plus, if you enjoyed my particular brand of weirdness, be sure to follow me at Instagram at Clayton Hawkins. Until next time, have a safe Halloween and a happy one. See ya. Oh, Jacqueline, I mean, we go back, we really go back. I mean, you've done it all too. You're an actress. You were a model. You used to work at that Orange Julius, and that's right, you were a singer. What was it? How did your song go? That's right. Living Spaces. That was her. That's her singing that in the commercial, and she wrote it. Just talented girl.